Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is being responsible. And our today's topic is revision of duties at school. As you know, we have already done this topic and today we are going to revise this topic. Okay, firstly today we start our session with the rhyme, that is clean up song. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place, keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Now again. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place, keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Okay, now after this rhyme, now students, in this topic we learn about the duties in school or in the classroom. Duties in school and classroom, like switch off the fans when not in use. Okay, next one is throw the paper or garbage in the dustbin. Next is pay attention toward the electrical gadgets like smart board, LED, etc. And the next one is always try to make your class neat and clean and give your best to the teacher. Okay, after this, now we are going to count the number 17. In this picture you see the number 17 and also 17 objects. Okay, after this, now take a sheet of paper and some ice cream sticks. Firstly, with the help of pencil, write number 17 on the paper, and after that, with the help of these ice cream sticks, you make the number 17. Okay, firstly write the number 17 on the paper, and after that, with the help of ice cream sticks, you make number 17. Okay, now open page number 21 of your icon explorer, book number 5. Here you see number 17 and you also see the 17 glasses. Firstly, trace the number 17 and after that you write number 17 without tracing. Okay, now move forward to the next page, that is 22 page number of your book number 5. This page number 17, color 17 pencils. Here you see a number of pencils, and firstly you count the 17 pencils. Okay, and after that, the pencils you count, color that pencil. You can fill the color with any color of your choice. Okay, now open page number 23. Good behavior. Look at these pictures, they show good behavior, which they show good behavior. From these pictures, students firstly recognize all the pictures, and after that tell your parents which picture shows the good behavior. Okay, in from these pictures, different pictures, you tell your parents about which picture shows the good behavior. Okay, now after this we again recite a rhyme, that is clean up song. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place, keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle twinkle little star, time to clean up where you are. Again, twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Put the toys back in their place. Keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Okay. Now, students, your homework is to do page number 21, 22 and 23 of your Icon Explorer book number 5, and you also learn this rhyme, that is clean up song. Learn this rhyme at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, stay connected with your school, with your teachers. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a bright day.